Bunge Airport?
No, like as I say, I like to be go on personal business, and even he also go, this in upcoming show, April 24. I mean, I think he gets some meetings the way for do with some artists and way once for come with and some other personal stuff them, so they go for guy. So now one give me the go anyway.
You make mention of fair trial. You believe, say, if them procedures and the way you make mention of, say, the security apparatus, the police to be specific, not follow, you believe, say, you clients not go get fair trial in this whole matter if they not follow them procedures,
I don't talk about the police. I say, firstly, we apprehension that when we get the incident we happen at the boat court on Friday, when we not be aware, we get information through social media, say the complainant get people them, we wear polo, with our old placard and transport them from Kenema for Cambo. I mean, and that kind of a tension in that atmosphere, myself as a lawyer, I mean, I go forget for my life. I mean, because, the people, we all see on social media what happen. And Section 10 of the Court Act makes provision for transfer file from one judicial district to another judicial district. And so we want to follow all those procedures. So that make we, as lawyers, we don't file necessary papers and in line with the law for make we ask for a transfer of the file. That is one side. And we'd also raise the issue, say, they're not savvy. In fact, we don't even exhibit the affidavit of service. What they should say, the lawyer we deposed to that affidavit say, he said that incessive as a lawyer, now he serve demand by WhatsApp. That's one I'm not going to discuss, and I'll go to go to court. We'll go to discuss that law.
So now them procedures and they are the ask. Them procedures and the way you believe say they not go according to waiting the law say. If they not follow them procedures and you believe say your clients go get fair trial.
Well, at this point, I don't want to comment on that. But we don't raise issues with regards to them procedures and so we go determine under the High Court, and then it's left for the High Court for determine that one day.
A lot of issues don't happen around this you clients when are LJ, and where it be make them utterances and we read the mayor na we be interview them, where instead now one of the people and we say they stand in solidarity with in colleague mayor na Kenema, and he place a ban on every event we get for do with the singer. You as the lawyer where they represent LJ, people only ask questions. Why always this particular individual, they get himself caught up with the law?
Well, I think say that one day the rapper go answer that one day. Me a lawyer, I do me work as a lawyer, and like as I say, I will tell you, every individual gets right to legal representation. In fact, in Sierra Leone, we get the legal aid board. People that we not able to afford. Even with constitution very clear, they say they presume somebody innocent until proven otherwise, right? And so for me, I only they ensure say I do the work where they hire me for as a lawyer, and he also entitled to legal representation to like any other citizen by the country.
The mayor na Kenema be they ask for a public apology, say LJ for apologize and retract them statements the way it make against the mayor na Kenema. In any way, we don't think of doing this before then they all am so.
Like I said, me a lawyer, let's talk about the law. LJ, he gets his own, he gets management, he gets a team. I think that these are issues for them for determine. But as a lawyer, let me discuss the law, which I know and how to protect my clients in human rights, in freedom of speech, freedom of association, and all of those things. Yes.
Talking about protecting you clients in freedom of expression and also that of a human rights. There is a history of your clients. The last way police be arrest them for another crime. Olam Krango Benghazi, we are issues of violating in human rights. beat him up, and even cut in dreadlocks way be there in aid. In this case now we don't confirm say police arrest her yesterday. According to you, it then a CID under close protection. How you don't engage with the police for protect a human rights? Let a repeat of what be happen today where the police caught in dreadlocks not happen again to her.
Well, I'm sure we don't learn from that. The country does don't learn from that. The police don't learn from that. I mean, so I don't feel like I say they go out for good and I would say. But like as I say, when I go to the police yesterday, we had a very good discussion with the police officers every day. They were carry time, they were omit say, and he was so cooperative with them, and we all been dedicated it. And I'm sure another fear for that one day. Now Tommy and I say I know. And I'm not sure anything of that will occur.
No.
That's one I can confirm. Yeah, I'm not sure. And for what happened at Bo, like I said, the utterances of the mayor, Nabo, I mean, the public notice we pull, and only one and that's the reason why we don't file papers by the High Court. For let the High Court look at the issues and they for let waiting did not happen the last time, let it not happen when we go back to Nabo. And I'm sure the High Court go look at them because we believe in the judicial system. I mean, we believe, say, them they for protect citizens, and so I believe say they will look at all of the issues and they follow not get to keep it off what happened.